Hi, in this video I'll show you what a gift shop looks like from a learner's side, how a learner can place an order and track its status. If admin has enabled the gift shop for the Academy, a separate gift shop page appears in the learner interface. The page immediately shows the learner's current point balance and it's divided into three sections. Shop, the catalog of available items, My Order, active orders, and history, already completed or cancelled orders. In the Shop tab, the learners see a catalog of items available to them, along with the price and points. For order an item, the learner needs to click on it. A modal window for placing the order will appear. If the learner selects item quantity, specifies the delivery method, and fills in the fields configured by the admin for this item, contact details, address, or other required information. If the admin has enabled this option, the learner can also leave a comment for their order. If the learner doesn't have enough points on their balance to order the select item, the order button becomes inactive. Once an order is placed, it appears in the My Order section where the learners can see its current status and track which stage of processing it's at. The learner can track their points, spending, and earning in the History section. The learner's profile also displays their current points balance, so the learners can quickly check it without going to the shop page. Hope it helps and good luck with your academy!